Good morning, friends. Today it's 10th of Jan 2025, and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty futures for short term and intraday time frame is as follows. So we have started the year 2025 on a negative note, and since last almost 2 to 3 weeks, we have been saying that pullback can be looked to reduce leverage positions because in ideal case scenario the index is trading with a negative bias below 24,200 and major resistance of 24,850. Trading below these levels, the bias will remain range to down, and the index need to sustain above this level in order to nullify the ongoing weakness and pessimism of the market. So in last 3 weeks, we have seen that index has been within a range of 23,500 and 24,200 mark, and this week it is currently down by almost 2%, and the index has retested the lows of 23,500 Nifty spot twice, yesterday also and day before yesterday also. Yesterday the closing was in red, down 0.69% at 23,526 levels, and further we are expecting some kind of negative global cues. Dollar index has moved towards $109, and even the global markets are not getting any kind of positive cues as of now. So today also the market can open range to down. As per the price study, now the hurdle which was mentioned at around 24,200 has been drifted down to 23,800. 23,800 is important level, trading below which the bias will be range to down, and vice versa as per the short-term indicators. While this is a weekly closing, so weekly closing below 23,500 will indicate further downside in days to come, and as mentioned, the midterm support immediate basis remains at around 23,000 22,800 zone. So that's an important level. As per the If we talk about indicators, then as per the daily charts, the bias remains range to down for Nifty 50 spot below 23,800 mark, and for the intraday trades, if we talk about Nifty futures, then for the day traders, the potential trading band can be 23,540 and 23,840 today. Dips towards 23,540 or 23,440 can be looked for contra trading longs, keeping a stop of 50 odd points. While pullback towards 23,840 and 23,980 can be looked for trading shorts, keeping strict stop loss of 50 points. As per the weekly data, OI data 16th Jan max call indicates maximum call build-up at 24,500 strike price, while maximum put build-up is at around 22,500 strike price. Now, if we talk about Bank Nifty spot, yesterday it further tested the lows of 49,230, and recently we see from the highs of 53,800 plus levels on 5th of December, it has corrected down to 49,230 odd levels. So it's a sharp correction of almost 4,000 points from the highs, and this week it is down by almost 2.9%. The important level here is 50,000 mark. If you see the daily charts, RSI, which was earlier trading at around 60 odd levels on a daily time frame, has cooled off and came down to 37 levels, so slightly inching towards the oversold zone. Now 50,000 will be very important in days to come. Trading over and above 50,000, this pessimism can be abated, but overall it need to hold above 50,500 for a couple of sessions in order to witness some kind of reversal signals or short covering which can take Bank Nifty towards 52,000 levels. So 50,500 will be important for any kind of reversal signals or nullification of the pessimism or negativity which is there in the banking space as of now. If we see the positional charts, then it is giving a kind of breakdown below 49,500, which was an important support of last almost 6-7 months. So that will be important to see whether the closing on a weekly time frame comes below 49,500, 49,000 levels or not. So there is a contradictory signals, because on the daily charts things are slightly moving into the oversold zone, while on the positional charts it is giving a breakdown. So we will have to see how things pan out, but overall keep in mind 50,500 Bank Nifty spot. That will be important level to keep in mind. Trading below 50,500, uh, be light with the leverage positions, and the reversal as mentioned can be expected only once it sustains above 50,500 mark. For the day traders, Bank Nifty futures, which ended last session at 49,787 level, can be looked for buying at around 49,400 and 49,115 Bank Nifty futures, keeping a stop of 100 points, while pullback towards 50,300 and 50,580 can be looked for contra trading shorts, keeping a stop of not more than 100 odd points. As per the monthly OI data for 30th Jan, Bank Nifty maximum call build-up is at around 51,000 strike, while the maximum put build-up is at around 49,000 strike, which indicates a broad range with important support at 49,000 mark. So overall, net both Nifty and Bank Nifty are at a crucial juncture on giving up their support levels, but on the short-term time frame, the only positive indicators which we can see is that the indices are approaching towards the oversold zone, so pullbacks will be expected in days to come. Weekly closing is very important for the next week, so let's see how things pan out. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.